Just received my new 19-inch ring light. This is going to be a review and a demo unboxing my 19-inch ring light. So ring lights make such a big difference when you're videotaping your YouTube, or you're doing your daughter's birthday party, or if you're at a special event, or you just want crazy amazing pictures for Instagram, or if you're doing your TikTok, you know what I mean? So I really love ring lights. I love ring lights so much. This is my second one, you guys, and it's half the price, same size, 19 inches big, same equipment, comes with a bag. So right now I am using my old ring light, so it's still amazing quality, you guys. I love it. I just traveled with it so much and it has a lot of wear and tear to it, so I decided to go ahead and buy a new one, and I could not believe it that now the one I originally had, 19-inch ring light, is now 50% off. So on Amazon I bought it for I believe it was like $64. I'll put the link right down below, and as you see I'll put it right there just to show you. But wow, you know what I mean? That big for that good of a price. I originally paid $179 plus tax or shipping or whatever. It was almost $200 last year. So I'm so happy to find it for such a low price. So let's unbox this ring light, y'all. Came in this big ass box. And they put the fragile on the side, so. All right. Let's see what's this puppy. Ouch. Oh, this is so cute. It's it has another bag for you to use. Like a really nice sturdy cushion bag for you to carry it in while you travel. I like that. Nice. Let's see what's in it. So excited. Ring light, y'all. Wow. This is a nice bag with the zipper and everything. Whoa. That mess is big. Hello. Oh, this is not my baby. This is my baby. Say, hey, I'm Shadiah. I'm Shadiah. It's almost my birthday. Right? You're just so excited to always be on the camera, huh? Oh, okay, you guys. So, yes, exactly. Same brand and everything. And this little nozzle, same little thing. So this one, I wanted to show you the company and just go more in detail and show you close up of these are the battery packs. You can buy the batteries. I believe they're $150 if you want to travel. And this changes the light quality, and this actually turns it off and on, and this is where you plug it up at right there. These pockets are for different things. If you want to do a mini iPad or an iPad, or you got your iPhone 12, iPhone 10, you know what I mean, iPhone 7 Plus, put that baby right there. You know, that new iPhone's coming out, that pink one. So you just post that right there, and you can videotape, or you can even put your camera, your Canon. I have a Canon 90D, so I'll be putting that one there. Oh, and that's little Shakai, y'all. He's almost 3 months old. He's almost talking. What you gotta say? Huh? You like this? You like it? Like this ring light? That's what's up. I'm using the new ring light right now, so this is the light quality. I don't know if you could tell the difference. This is my old one, and I just wanted to show you that they had this little TV screen on there. You see? Right here, and it would show the percentage, but it was unnecessary. So it's still the same off and on switch, charging,
battery packs on both sides. It's still the same size. Filter still clicks on, and still have that thing. And it has the USB right here. Now this is to charge your iPad or iPhone, you know, as you're using it. So they just add that as a feature. Or even if you have another item, another light that you want to hook onto the light.
So I just wanted to show you the difference between these ring lights, you guys. So this is no light, no ring light. So this is no ring light, and this is the ring light. So this is the ring light, like centered right in my face. I just wanted to show you a difference. So before was the ring light a little further back. So the light is just amazing either way you want to use it. The only downfall is the extension cord is a little short, but you can buy little batteries for the back of the ring light, and you could like go out in the desert and shoot, or shoot at the beach, or whatever you want to do. It is a little fragile, you know what I mean, because it's like a tower. But other than that, this is an amazing piece. This ring light is off the chain. Like, look at that. Yes. So thanks for watching this video, guys, all the way through. Please give this video a thumbs up. I'm trying to get monetized. Help me out here, you know. Stay tuned to more of my videos. I usually have things about natural hair. If you really want to grow out your hair, or you want to start natural hair using natural hair products, this is the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. And I talk a little bit about pregnancy tips. So have a good day. Peace out.